Hey guys, it's Kitty here, and today I just wanted to show you how my cat acts. 10 top things I love about my cat. So I think the 10th one, well, this time I'm counting backwards. So the 10th one has to be his cute little tiny little face. It's so cute. Oh. Thanks a lot. That's one thing that's so cute. Sir, you can't just push me. What the heck? You're lucky that I'm doing this video. So I love his cute little tiny little face. Love it. You know what? Let's make it more brighter. I did. Look, I'm gonna zoom in on his face. What is that cute? Look at that. Isn't that adorable? So yeah, the second thing I love about him is his cute little tiny baby's out ears. It's really cute. There's nothing there. Number 8. I love how his eyes are green like me. It's just really cute. And number 7. I love his markings on his fur and stuff. It's just cute. Sorry about that. That's the bathroom. So, is that Zoe? Is that Zoe? Alright, so, now I was just searching my dog. So, and then, of course, number 7 is his little mushka mice. Mushka boom. Look at his cute little mustache. I love it. That's what I love about him. And, number 6. Little tiny unicorn horn. It's just a piece of hair, but we like to call it a unicorn horn. Unicorn, get it! I don't know why I'm keeping it zoomed up, but I love it. And number 5. Well, love how he lays with me at night. He lays on my head, I'm literally serious, on my face. It's so cute. Number 4 is beautiful whiskers. Once we found one on the bathtub, it was so weird. My mom literally walked in and she was like, "What is this?" This was a few years ago. And it was on the bathtub, so then we found there's just this little whisker. Yeah, sorry about that. That's the door. Always when someone opens the door, it has to be like that. So, that was number 4. Number 3, it is, cute little tiny little nose. And number 2, his mouth. His mouth is just so cute. And then number 1, the most cutest thing about him is him. So thank you guys so much for watching, and bye. Subscribe to MLP Kitty, and please go subscribe to my friend Carly. Go please subscribe to Carly and Quinn, which is my friend. So yeah, thank you so much, and bye. Subscribe.